My name is Mr. Powell. Welcome, students and parents, to our forensics course. Whether you've been interested in forensic science for a while, or this is your first real exposure to it, this course is going to open up a whole new perspective of how science and the law work together to solve some of the most complex questions in our society. I've been involved in countless investigations, many of which involve forensic science. What I love about forensic science is its ability to turn abstract evidence into concrete facts. You'll find that this field is not just about microscopes and labs, it's about real lives, real cases, and finding the truth. And the best part is, I'll be drawing on actual cases I've worked on throughout my career to help bring these concepts to life for you, exploring everything from the examination of physical evidence to the critical methods and tools used to solve real-life criminal cases. This course will allow you to experience the role of forensic science in the pursuit of truth and justice, grounded in scientific principles and in a God-honoring way.